Welcome back to Hoston Spinning. I am Coco. Many of our customers are curious to know on which model we could make this kind of cylinder type product. Here is our answer. The light-duty single roller CNC metal spinning machine model WLL-SRS450. Now follow me to check this machine features. This machine is equipped with Siemens CNC 808D CNC controller. Now let's open this protective door and check inside. Oh, this is really very compact structure. I believe here is a spindle, so the mold could be connected with this spindle. And of course, we could customize this mold according to customer's drawing. This long part is a tailstock. It is used for pushing the center of the so-called blank sheet. This oil cylinder, I believe, it is used for the piston to move backward and forward. And this machine is only single roller light duty type. So you can see here is only one tooling post. Obviously, you can see this is a 6-position type, and you can install different tooling such as spinning roller, tool cutter, edge rolling, press spinning, or any tooling you want to add for the product process. Now let's check this side of this machine. Here is the hydraulic station with motor, the pump, valve, cooling fan, and oil tank. You can install, you can put the hydraulic oil from here and check this level gauge. From here, you can see the casted machine frame. And this is a servo motor. This blue part is the air compressor indicator. Okay, let's check the back side of this machine. This is an electrical cabinet with all the components from Frank Schneider. And here you can see this is the automatic lubrication system. Alright, that's all for this machine. For more information, you are welcome to visit our website www.hoston.cc or subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for your watching.